me bring in JVC Sriram. Is there a compromise or is there not a compromise? Everyone's talking about everything except the issue at hand. So let me ask the non-politicians, Mr. Sriram and Mr. Agnihotri, you first, JVC Sriram. Is this a compromise or is this chalta hai? Dhanda hai par
What
ganda hai.
compromise? What compromise you're talking about? Congress local unit in Punjab and Delhi are fighting tooth and nail against AAP. Their leaders have come and spoken against AAP. They do not want to have an alliance. And here, under the diktats of the prince, they come and support AAP. Now, let me tell you, once the service bill issue is over, AAP will be out of the DOTS alliance. DOTS alliance is what I call as I.N.D.I.A. To make it very simple, DOTS alliance. Now, their purpose is fulfilled. They've dragged the Congress. Whatever Congress votes, were there, would have probably gone somewhere else. And now AAP has finished their agenda. And you can very soon see AAP getting out of this DOTS alliance. Next would come Mamata Banerjee, because she does not want to have an alliance with the left parties. Neither the left parties want to have an alliance with the TMC. Congress would have to choose whether to go with left or with DOTS. So DOTS is in big danger, and that is what has been clearly established by the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah.
Vinodji, do you think it is going to be awkward? Do you think it is going to be awkward when it was the first test of unity that suddenly Amit Shah is saying this is more about compromising with corruption? क्योंकि ये तो कोई नहीं कह सकता ना, हाँ ठीक है, corruption ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
No, compromising with the corruption is both sides. In India, Lalu Yadav is a convict on the Chara Ghotala corruption, and similarly in NDA, Mr. Ajay Chautala is also convict. He is in NDA and Laluji in India. Barring these two, tell me name of any one leader who is convict. There are charges on the both sides. Charges on the both sides.
But एक साइड कहती है कि हम बेहतर हैं, ये है खराब है, ये करप्ट है, हम बेटर ऑल्टरनेटिव है.
नहीं, कैसे बेहतर है आप बताइए ना.
दोनों नहीं कैसे है ना बेटर. INDIA is the same as BJP.
नहीं, on the issue of corruption.
On the issue of corruption they are the same.
They are the same, of course. इधर अगर लालू जी हैं, उधर चौटाला जी हैं, दोनों कन्विक्टेड हैं. और बाकी सब पे चार्जेस हैं, एलिगेशंस हैं, इंक्वायरीज हैं. तो इंक्वायरी जब तक कन्विक्ट ना हो तब तक आप किसी को दोषी तो नहीं ठहरा सकते. तो इसलिए इधर भी चार्जशीटेड लोग हैं, उधर भी चार्जशीटेड लोग.
Sauce for goose, sauce for gander. So Amit Shah hasn't really made anyone uncomfortable. Sanju Verma, who's back with us now.
Thank you, Padmaja. Am I audible now?
Yes, go on.
Okay. Padmaja, the limited point is this, that we all know that Pratap Bajwa of the Congress has been lambasting the Bhagwant Singh Mann government of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. But Arvind Kejriwal and Rahul Gandhi are willing to give a jadoo ki jhappi to each other. Ditto goes for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who has been lambasting Mamata Banerjee in Bengal, but Mamata Banerjee and Sonia Gandhi are willing to forget the past and give a jadoo ki jhappi to each other. So my limited point is this, that the regional satraps of the Congress are being ignored and there is no larger national interest here. It is an alliance of opportunism, an alliance of convenience, and Amit Shah is absolutely right that once the Delhi ordinance issue is out of the way, ये जो बना बनाया alliance है या जो बनी बनाई खिचड़ी है, this is going to crumble under the weight of its own fractious partners.
You think so, Vinod जी, कि अपना मतलब निकाल करके आम आदमी पार्टी चलती बनेगी? ये बहुत हॉट कंस्पिरेसी थियरी चल रही है. विनोद जी, let me quickly get a response. Yes.
देखिए ये थ्योरी बीजेपी की है. अब बीजेपी को कैसे पता कि अरविंद केजरीवाल छोड़ के चले जाएंगे या नीतीश कुमार छोड़ के चले जाएंगे? अरे भाई वो तो उनको तय करना है ना, छोड़ना नहीं छोड़ना. बीजेपी तो डे वन से, देखिए बीजेपी डे वन से कह रही थी कि कभी इकट्ठे नहीं होंगे, बहुत फोटो ऑफ हो गई, बहुत ये हो गया. अब वो इकट्ठे हो गए, जब इकट्ठे हो गए तो दूसरी मीटिंग नहीं होगी, दूसरी मीटिंग हो गई, नाम भी आ गया. अब नाम आ गया तो तीसरी मीटिंग में बॉम्बे में जो होना. अब मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं कि कोई गारंटी में नहीं ले रहा हूं, मैं गारंटी नहीं ले रहा हूं कि इकट्ठे रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे. मैं भविष्यवाणी भी नहीं कर रहा हूं कि नहीं बिखर ही जाएंगे, ना मैं कह रहा हूं इकट्ठे रहेंगे. लेकिन ये तो नेताओं को तय करना है.
Sanju
कोई भी
Varma,
लॉजिक
basically, you know, Rajya Sabha numbers you don't have, so you're just trying to create a little friction now.
Exactly. They are losing in Rajya Sabha.
Let's
Wait,
be very
Sanju
clear,
Verma.
please. Padmaja, on
Tomorrow
your
bill
own
won't pass in
channel-
Rajya Sabha.
On your own channel.
Tell chairperson
Padmaja,
Rajya
Hold on,
Sabha
hold
to
on.
do
Let
voice
us
vote.
speak, please. Then we just do tu mein. Sanju
Tomorrow
Verma.
chairperson Rajya Sabha will do voice
Okay,
vote.
please,
Take
please.
my prediction.
Can you ask
Okay, fine. We've taken your prediction. We've taken
ये
Vinodji's
भविष्यवाणी
prediction. We've
होती
taken
है।
JVC's prediction. Let her also give her prediction.
No, one more
Sanju
thing.
Verma, no, please.
Chairperson Rajya Sabha will do voice vote,
Can you ask
will not do
Sanju
division of
Verma,
votes
Pratap?
because BJP does not have numbers in Rajya Sabha.
Okay, fine. Sanju
Tomorrow
Verma,
this will
let her
happen.
respond, please. Yes.
Thank you. Padmaja, Tehsil Poonawala sits here and waxes eloquent about the Congress's chances. On your own channel, you've said that if the BJD, the Biju Janata Dal and YSRCP, they support the BJP on any burning issue in the Rajya Sabha, we have 120 seats to our credit and the opposition has 105. Lok Sabha mein to वैसे ही BJP led NDA has 332 and the Congress has 141 along with its alliance partners. As far as numbers go, BJP is miles ahead. You can't beat us at the numbers game.
Okay.
And I want to just end by saying one thing, Padmaja. I come from Maharashtra. Maharashtra mein you will be surprised to know Ashok Chavan is fighting with Prithviraj Chavan.
Arey.
Nana Patole of the Congress is fighting with Bhai Jagtap. Milind Deora is
Shivraj
fighting
Singh
with
Chauhan and
everybody
Jyotiraditya
else.
Scindia are holding hands. Himanta Biswa Sharma and Sonowala are playing cricket together every day. Is this a debate?
Okay, I promise you we'll do a separate debate on Maharashtra that as it is on its own promises to be a very, very interesting fight. Promise. We'll do a national debate also.